Excellent response, good mid-range, noticeable idle 0.1, 300-5, 600 RPM, operating range 218/224, duration at 0.050. 110-degree lobe separation angle. 0.462/0.469 valve lift. K kits vary in their contents, but generally contain a camshaft, a set of lifters, valve springs, retainers, locks, valve seals, timing set, assembly lubricant, decals and instructions. Check description for more accurate listing of kit contents. Excellent performance in street carbureted applications. Quicker opening lobe profiles deliver increased responsiveness and more area under the lift curve. More vacuum allows an increase in duration for improved performance and assists power brakes. Best performance with aftermarket intake manifolds, headers, and lower gear ratios. Fits Chevrolet Gen 1 small blocks including the 262, 265, 267, 283, 302, 305, 307, 327, 350 and 400. Does not fit LT1/LT4, or factory rollers small blocks built from 1980.